Welcome to the latest videos from 24 Trains TV. With these updates, we keep you informed about everything new you can find on 24 Trains TV. Even though our selection grows every week, the price stays the same. For just $4.99 per month, you can enjoy more than 5,000 videos. Perfect for a cozy evening on the couch or relaxing on the beach. The northernmost heritage railway in the United Kingdom with steam trains is the Strathspey Railway in Aviemore. So even deep in the Highlands, you can still enjoy steam trains. Join us on this journey and discover Scotland with our train of the week, the 46,512. About every 10 years, a steam locomotive needs to undergo what's called an overhaul. This means the locomotive is often out of service for an extended period. The final days before such an overhaul are often a reason for a farewell celebration. The same goes for Chemnitz, where despite this, the 53,648 was taken out of service. The train offerings in the Alpine region are extremely diverse. Reason enough to create a whole series about it. In fact, the 35 installment has already been released. Enjoy this variety and let yourself be inspired for your next holiday destination. Snow in the summer is a rare sight, but it's even more special when it happens on the Fouke Oberalp line, which is normally closed during the snowy season. So these images are truly unique. The landscape remains just as impressive, or perhaps even more so. The Spanish Railway Museum in Madrid is still a classic railway museum housed under the enormous roof of the former Madrid Galicia station. The impressive steam locomotives and historic diesels create a museum where you can easily spend hours. Thanks to 24 Trains TV, you no longer have to brave the Spanish heat to visit, and you can simply visit from the comfort of your own home. That's it for this time, but don't worry because we'll be back soon with a new update. Want to watch even more in the meantime? Then be sure to become a subscriber. Only $4.99 per month. That's all it costs, or try it out first with a 7-day free trial.